Hello, Brick Farm Properties and Construction. There's the video number 2 for the kitchen installation at this project in Prince Frederick, Maryland. So we put up crown molding, got the glass cabinets with the lights that's going to go in there, the countertop, it's going to be a cooktop there, and then the sink in the corner, the dishwasher, and the refrigerator will be here. So kitchen installation will be done. Just got a couple more days to do small little things with this project. And once the kitchen's out the way, so we got all the baseboard done, the trim, the window trim, the crown molding, the doors are all installed. Working on some of the work in the basement now. And then this room here, this is the family room. Replace the ceiling fans. We're getting everything ready for paint, and the electrician's coming in after the paint to drop in the cans for the recessed lights, and then we should be out of here. We got the new door coming to replace the door for here, and then the window casing is going to get done tomorrow. Finish off the window, and then the upstairs. The bathroom has been done, the ceramic tile. Took the ceiling up to the ceiling, the tile. I like this tile, it's nice. And then we put in a jacuzzi tub here. And then you got the vanity and the countertop, the wire for the exhaust fan, and the toilet is downstairs. So the painters are coming this weekend to paint, and then once they paint, we'll be one step closer. So Brick Farm Properties and Construction, we build houses, we do complete renovations, electrical, plumbing, ductwork, flooring, trim. This is the master bathroom. We're making half of it into a steam room. So that half is going to be a steam room, and then this half is going to be the shower. So the steam room will be here, and it's going to be a glass enclosure, okay? And then you have your shower on that side, so it'll be a glass enclosure here. So you'll step out of the steam room to go into the shower, and then you have another glass door. Here will be another glass door, and pretty fancy bathroom. So Brick Farm Properties and Construction, if you guys need any type of work, this is the master closet. We put an additional shelving here, and this needs to be painted and cleaned. Electrician's gonna drop in some cans here, recessed lights. So this is almost done. So I'm hoping if the customer doesn't keep changing things, I could be out of here in a couple of weeks. So bedroom 2, bedroom 3, and then the downstairs. And the new chandelier light, I'm gonna put that in as well. Okay, give us a call if you guys need any work. Brick Farm Properties and Construction. Been doing this for a long time. Been a home inspector for 27 years. Been in construction since '89. We buy, we fix, we sell houses. We work with insurance companies. And you got a big job or a small job? If you got a big job or a small job, give us a call. Thank you.